So you're welcome back to the Crypto Net channel, and today we're going to be talking about the technical analysis and price prediction of Gala Coin. Okay, technical analysis and price prediction of Gala Coin. That's what we're going to be talking about today. So in the last few days, this is one day candlesticks. One, two, three, four, five. In the last 5 days, this has really been pumping. It's been pumping hard, pumping hard, pumping hard. Okay, in the last 5 days, Gala has actually done 2x, meaning that if you've invested $1,000 into Gala, okay, at the peak right here, you may have cashed out over $2,000 from this. Okay, so like the market is growing suddenly. Okay, we had over $50 billion pumped into the market in the last few days. Okay, so dollar pumped, and I posted for those of you who are viewing my status on WhatsApp or probably on Facebook. You may have seen something like, "Oh, that my highs is on Gala." Like I have my highs on Gala. Like I've been monitoring it. I've been monitoring its movement, its price actions in the market. And if you're on Telegram, you may have seen it. I think yesterday evening, I said that I'm keeping my eyes on Gala because I'm looking for an opportunity on that chart, and I found it. All right, and I found it, and the opportunity still exists. Listen, I'm not explaining everything to you. Just be patient. All right, be patient. So now, um, when you say, when I say you should buy or you should short, okay, there is a reason for it. There is a reason for it. All right. There are things that we look out for before we buy or before we sell. Okay. There are sometimes that no matter how good you are as a technical analyst, there are sometimes that the price will still go against you, against your analysis. Okay. That is the essence of stop loss. For those who like to use stop loss in their trade. Okay. But for some traders who use stop loss, it depends on the strategy that you're using to trade the market. So really quick, I don't like to analyze a coin in isolation. Okay, I love to consider the possible fundamentals about that coin. Okay, because sometimes you need to like confirm your bias, whatever your bias on chart. Sometimes you need to confirm that bias using the fundamental points. All right, so I'm going to show you exactly how that is done. So let's go real quick. Let's go real quick. Let's go real quick into the main D. Okay, so let me go to the coin market cap. I'm going to search for Gala. Okay, it's not the kind of Gala that you guys are eating. Okay, because you're a Nigerian and you're watching this video, or you're from Ghana. I don't know if there's Gala in Ghana. Okay, Gala sellers. Okay, this is kind of Gala we have in Nigeria. It's a sausage. It is a sausage roll. Okay, a sausage roll, and here is it. We call it Gala. Can you see the carton here? Gala. Okay, it is called Gala. Gala Chin Gala. Okay, let me say Gala snack. Yeah, kind of Gala snack. Okay, you can see this is Gala. Gala is food in Nigeria. I don't know what it is in your country. It's a sausage roll and it is very popular. Okay, I'm not making advert for them. I'm just trying to like I just want to like show you guys what Gala is in my country. So now, real quick. This is Gala. I don't know why maybe Gala is or something. Maybe that's why. Maybe that is where they derived that name from. So if you look at the fundamental points of this. Okay, this is the market cap of Gala, and this is the FDMC. This is the fully diluted market cap of Gala. All right. So now in technical analysis, so in fundamental analysis, we look one of the points that we look out for is the FDMC and the MC. Okay, because there has to be the gap when there is a gap, a massive gap between FDMC and market cap. Okay, it's a good indicator. It's a good indicator if you are a fundamental analyst. All right. If you are a fundamental analyst, it's a powerful indicator. So it's one of over 30 other indicators that we use in the market. Okay, for analysis, for fundamental analysis. So real quick, look at this volume now. This has really dropped by over 57% in last 24 hours. All right, in last 24 hours. So this volume has really dropped massively. It means that about 30 hours ago or 40 hours ago, it means that the volume that has been generated on Gala across all the exchanges in the world, it's been over $1.2 billion, right? On Gala alone. Okay, so it means that because in the last few days, over $50 billion got into the market in the last maybe like a week or two. Okay, over $50 billion got into the market. Part of the money actually went into Gala, obviously, went into Gala. All right. So now if you look at this, the gap between this, it means that if you check my WhatsApp status, I said that if you're looking for a coin that could give you 5x, okay, a long-term hold, it is Gala because obviously it has done 2x in the last few days. All right. So it is Gala. So I'm not saying you should buy Gala now. Just hold on. Hold on. Watch this analysis to the end. That is where you can get the full gist. Okay. And make the right decision for yourself. Now, the FDMC has dropped, okay, with similar percentage as also the market cap. It has dropped. Okay. So, and if you look at Gala holistically, you know, it has really lost value by over 90%. Let me check the exact value. It has lost value by over 95% in the last 2 years. This is 2023. Not even up to 2 years, okay, not even up to 2 years. Okay. So it has really lost massive value. Massive value. All right. So from its all-time high or maybe like 70 cents, then now it is at 0.0, is at 3.9 cents right now. So it has really dropped a whole lot of value. Okay, so it's one of the coins that you need to be looking out for long-term investment. For those who like to invest for a very long time. For those who like to invest for a very long time, you need to watch out for Gala. Okay, so that is for fundamental point. Okay, now when the coin is pumping, okay, what should you do as a trader? Okay, go on Twitter because Twitter is like it's like it's like a social media platform for crypto, obviously. So go to Twitter. When you get to Twitter, all you have to do is to scroll down. Look at the previous charts. Okay, previous charts. Okay, look at Benefactor announced Gala will be the token that powers Town Star game. Can you imagine that? A token that powers that game. It means that it's going to create more demand for it. And this was made on January 9, 3 days ago. Okay. And now look at this. We bring you big names. We are coming up. This was made some like 9 days. Okay, January 9. Okay. So if you look at that Twitter page, okay, like people have been putting a good word. I think there is a tweet. There was a tweet that actually skyrockets. There was a tweet. I think there was a tweet um that Crypto Kitties is going to be trying to rebrand their game and integrate Gala. Yeah, look at this. This was the news. This was the news that actually skyrocketed the price. Little comment from Benefactor on CryptoKitties. CryptoKitties is a big project in the crypto world. If you've been in the crypto space forget about the followers. Forget about the followers. If you've been in the crypto space in the last 5 years, you should know CryptoKitties. Okay, CryptoKitties actually open up people's minds to NFT projects. Okay, and they made massive money through that game. All right. So if and the game is now dead, but they have a lot of fans across the world. If they are thinking of partnering with Gala, wouldn't it be cool to give them some Web3 in-game utility? Okay, look at this. Look at this. So this was the news. This was the straw that broke the back of the camel. All right. So now you have to go to their Twitter page and see maybe there was a specific announcement that actually, you know, affected the price. Okay, so you should know that this pump was actually influenced by this tweet. And if you go to trading view, so if you check trading view, no, let me go to Gala. So Gala USDC perpetual on this platform. Okay, so if you go to trading view and you look at this day, okay, that was people who are aware of this news started buying at this point. Okay, they started buying at this point. And when there seems to be an exhaustion, okay, the following day it was followed by massive dildo. Then another massive dildo. Okay, and look at this. Look at this Gala chart. You can see the down trend has actually been going down and down and down for a while. Okay, so if you look at this, If you look at this point, there is a resistance at this point, at this point, and similar to what we have here. Okay, so there has to be a resistance point at this level. All right, at this level. So, and you can also use your line. Okay, at this point. So when it was pumping, okay, I was had my eyes that okay, this is going to be the resistance point. Forget about this week. Okay, this is just like tap out. It's just here to tap you out in case you are using high leverage for trading. Okay, and probably you don't have a plan B for your trade. So this is just to tap you out. Okay, this is just to tap you out of the trade. All right. So I had to wait. I had to wait it out. Like, oh, I knew that this is going to be the resistance point because this was a pump. This pump was as a result of the fact that um there was a massive news, a massive collaboration with some other projects, and that's what actually meaning a lot for the Gala ecosystem because Gala is more like an NFT and a metaverse based project like Mana and Sandbox. All right. So now when you look at this is a resistance point, and you expect that this is going to obey this resistance. Okay, a resistance will be met here. So when I saw the resistance, and I was like, oh, it's like this is going to obey this resistance. Then I waited for the countdown to elapse. Okay, because if you're using TradingView, there's going to be a countdown that will show you exactly when that candle will close. Now, this daily candle, this red candle, is going to close in the next 30 hours, 48 minutes. All right, in the next 30 hours, 48 minutes. So when it closes at that point, okay, you should know that if it should close red, like it should be if the candle should close lower than the opening point, then it's going to go down. Yeah, it's going to go down further. Okay, so I waited for this specific candle right here. Okay, let me circle this candle. Yeah, this candle right here you are seeing on my screen. So I waited for that candle to close. When it closed as an inverted hammer, if you go to your candlesticks Bible that I shared with you on Telegram, okay. So if you're not on a Telegram page, you are missing a whole lot. Okay, make sure that you join that Telegram page right now. Okay, so I'm going to share the link to this Telegram channel. I will share the link with you in the comment box. Click on that link. Okay, there is a lot of my resources in the channel and also in the group that you can download and go through them. Okay, so there's a candlestick Bible that we've been using for quite a number of years now. Okay, so when you go through that candlestick Bible, you know that this is an inverted hammer. Okay, and it shows a level of exhaustion, like the buyers are tired. They are tired. You want to be taking profit now. Okay, then the bear will come in. All right, and bear has actually gotten into Gala at this point in time. And what you'll be expecting is something like this. What you'll be expecting is something like this. Okay, something like this over time. So if you really want to short Gala now, this is the best time to short Gala because the volume is no longer available. It doesn't have much volume again. As you can see, the volume has really dropped. This is the volume. It's dropped only from this point to this point and up to this point. So the volume is no longer there. So when volume dropped, it shows the level of interest that people are having. People are no longer interested in Gala for now. Okay, meaning that more than half of people who are interested in Gala 3 days ago, 2 days ago, they are out of Gala. They are selling, they are out of it, moving to other coins. All right. So there is a level of exhaustion right there, and this is the best time for you to start selling, to start shorting. Okay, but if you're on spot, okay, if you're on spot and you want to buy for a long time hold, set your order at 0.25. That's your order at 0.25, and your next order at 0.15. That's okay. Okay. If that order should get picked up, then you can send to the wallet and keep it for a very long time. Okay. I'm not sure if that analysis is making sense to you. All right. So when you see this kind of this candle you are seeing here represent indecision. Indecision. So don't be so quick to jump to the market. Wait for the candle to close. Wait for the candle to close. Don't rush. If you go, let me show something real quick. I posted this yesterday evening. I said highs on Gala USDT yesterday. I posted this. Okay, so because the channel is where I post my thoughts a lot. I just share my thoughts on because I cannot be making videos every day. Okay, it's not easy. I've done that before, but it's not easy. All right, I have a couple of other things I'm doing. So on this channel, on this Telegram channel, this is where I update you guys a whole lot. You can see sometimes in a day I could share my thoughts like 4 or 5 times in a day. Okay, so okay, I talk about gold and CPI today. Okay, well that's it. So I said I have my eyes on it. Okay, I have my eyes on it, and immediately I saw that I know that this is the right time to short. So when the candle closed with an inverted hammer, I placed my short order right there. Okay, so I shorted this candle all the way from here with 5x. Okay, I want you to have a bigger view of the candle. Okay, sorry about that. So I shorted this candle. Let me delete this. Okay, I have to use Control Z to remove that. So now, what I'm saying in the sense is that I shorted the candle all the way from here, okay, to somewhere around this point, okay, and that was minus 4.4% drop, okay, meaning that if you're using 5x to short this, you've made some profit out of the market, right? They just close it and move on. It's as simple as that. And now, let's switch to 4 days candle so you can have a better view. What can you see? Okay, what you can see right here is a lot of struggle, a lot of struggle. The bulls are trying to like push it back up. They are going to fail. Obviously, they will fail. Okay, because the interest is no longer here. The interest is no longer here. The interest is winning out. It's getting reduced. So what do you expect? What do you expect? Okay, so that's the analysis I want to share with you guys on Gala USDT. Okay, so if you want to short Gala USDT, be confident. You can even short at this level. Yeah, just place your order here. Yeah, place your order around here. Short it again. Okay, your first order could be here. Okay, your first order could be here. If your first order is around here, then place the next short order here. You know, because we always do this in the crypto market because the market might actually go against you for a short time before it starts going in your direction. So just place this two short order. Probably you want to short with $100. Use $50 here and another $50 here. Okay, so that your profit is going to be even massive. Yeah, that is it. So if you'd like to join the Trade Token Academy, where I'm going to be teaching people for good 3 weeks. I'm going to be going live like every 2 3 days. Every 3 days, I'm going to be going live. Okay, and teaching you all you need, the right strategy that you need to actually make money from the market. Okay, this is called a Jakadi strategy. Okay, it is called a Jakadi trading strategy. All right, so how you can box your way out, how you can rustle your way out, and make massive money for yourself in the crypto space. That is what this strategy is all about. So if you'd like to participate in the training, okay, this is the first boot camp, trade to earn boot camp. This is way cheaper than the previous, the subsequent ones, because usually when I organize a training like this, I make it cheaper for the first set of people that will leverage it, the early adopters, right? So the subsequent one, it becomes even more and more and more expensive, all right? So if you'd like to join this one now, okay, just make sure that you join this Telegram channel and let me know that you're interested in the Trade to Earn bootcamp. Okay, hi, I'm interested in Trade to Earn bootcamp. Okay, this fee is only 34,860 naira at the moment. Okay, this is way, way, way less than $50. All right, so let's even pull a calculator. Let me say that the fee for the bootcamp is 34. Where is it? Is 34,860 divided by 750, the current rates for dollar and naira, which is about 46, less than $47. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm supposed to be charging over $100 for this bootcamp. So that's crazy, man. So that is it, guys. Just make sure that you are doing the right thing in the market. That's it. Okay. Trade carefully, trade with confidence. Okay. When you see, when I say trade carefully, I'm not saying this to instigate fear into your mind. No. All right. I'm just trying to let you know that when you are trading, make sure that you place your stop loss. Okay. Place your stop loss in case you're about to get whipped out. So if I'm going to be trading this pair now, I'm going to have my stop loss around here. I don't like to have a tight stop loss. Okay. I'm going to be having my stop loss. Let me use this. I will be having my stop loss around here. All right, that's where I'm going to be having my stop loss. I don't like to have a stop that is too tight because you can just easily get kicked out of the market within a few hours. All right, so you can have your stop loss here, and probably you can possibly have your take profit here. Possibly, yeah. I will take profit here at this point. Okay, at this point, then you're out of the market. It's as simple as that. It's really as simple as that. So that's it for today, guys, on price prediction and analysis. I will be doing more and more of this on the channel. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. And if you go to the channel, you may have seen some analysis. If you go through, where is it? Analysis. There is market analysis. You can see right here. So there's a bunch of videos right there where you can learn crypto analysis from. Okay. So that's it for today. I'm going to be seeing you guys tomorrow. Bye for now. Have a great day. Bye.